Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to fix Face ID and passcode missing from the settings on iPhone and iOS. Remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe if the video helps. Let's get into the method. The main reason this might be missing from the settings is because of another setting which might be turned on. Open the Settings app and scroll down and tap on the option called Screen Time. Now select Content and Privacy Restrictions, which is in the Restrictions section. Finally, make sure the top toggle switch is turned off, and then head back and the Face ID and Passcode option should be on the main settings page in the third section. If it's still not here, you could try updating iOS by going to General and then Software Update. That's how to fix Face ID and Passcode missing from the settings on iPhone in iOS. Click the card on screen now to watch a video of mine showing you 10 easy ways to speed up your iPhone or iPad. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.